The global AI market is projected to reach $1,770 billion by 2032. Do you have the skills needed to seize this opportunity? Build a rewarding career in AI with the postgraduate program in AI and machine learning business applications.
There for around 15 months, then they did downsizing because now the company had stabilized the way they wanted. So they wanted just one officer to remain. And we decided, the guy who called us, let him remain because, and also to pay the fees for my siblings. Now the last born is in Form 4.
Okay.
So my whole time I spent stabilizing the family.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after Somalia, after now the contract where it ended, I came back in January of 2025. Then again jobless until the month of May, when now my friend called Ruben Busire, he lives in Ongata Rongai, called me. Yes. Now he told me this job is a security job for malls, mall security, like the same we get for going to Qatar, Dubai, you know, these normal security jobs. And I asked him, what about the commission? No, there is no commission that is being paid. And I told my friend in Uganda, hey, my friend, where is the bucket? I have to shower. I left the very same day.
Yes.
So I went to Nairobi, we met with. After Sanadu, we were relocated again to Great Wall Apartments. There we stayed for around 3 days. Night. Around 3 a.m. That is the time now we left for JKI via Terminal 1. Then we boarded Turkish Airlines to Istanbul, Turkey. Then we arrived at Istanbul. We had a stopover of around 18 hours. From there, we boarded another aircraft.
Where you were going?
No. Okay, the story is we had already been given a contract at KICC in Nairobi. When we arrived at Purkovo, there was this white guy who came. He took us, boarded a taxi for us. We were 8 of us. We were 8 of us by then. But at the airport, they did a lot of security synchronization.